Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a common problem that many of us encounter while working on our computers. The problem we'll be discussing today is the challenge users face when their system storage is full and they need to free up space to ensure their device runs smoothly. Running out of storage can be frustrating, especially when you try to download new apps or save important files. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky storage problem. One effective way to free up storage on your device is by using an external hard drive to offload files and applications that you don't need immediate access to. By transferring these files to a separate storage device, you can create more space on your system drive and improve its performance. This solution not only helps you declutter your device, but also ensures that you have quick access to your files whenever you need them. In addition to using an external hard drive, another solution to consider is utilizing cloud storage services. Services like Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive offer a convenient way to store your files online, freeing up space on your device. By uploading your files to the cloud, you can access them from anywhere and ensure that your important documents are securely backed up. This solution is not only practical, but also provides an extra layer of protection for your data in case of hardware failure or loss. To wrap things up, dealing with a full storage issue on your computer can be a hassle, but there are simple solutions available to help you free up space and optimize your device's performance. Whether you choose to use an external hard drive or take advantage of cloud storage services, managing your files effectively is key to a smooth computing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite storage saving tip.